Hi, I'm Keith, a technician of 11 years with USACLEAN, and this beauty is an X20B 20-inch auto scrubber. In this series, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that you can do yourself to minimize the cost and the need for a service technician. Okay, so your pad driver is worn. Now here is how you replace the pad driver. Take your skirt, get that up and out of the way, grab your pad driver firmly, and all you have to do is give it a good twist. Okay, so you need to replace your pad driver, but your pad holder is still good. You can take the good one off of your bad pad driver and reuse the pad holder on your new pad driver. So unclip it, remove the old pad, remove the 3 screws on your old pad driver, take the bottom plate off, set it off to the side, get your new pad driver, replace the bottom, put the screws back in, put your pad back on, and clip it. Now, when you need to replace the pad driver and the pad holder, you need to get both the bottom and the top part of the pad holder. Okay, now putting your new pad driver on your machine, what you're going to need to do is align the 3 lugs with the 3 open holes on your gimbal on your machine. And once they're aligned, just give the new pad driver a quick turn and it's locked into place. Put your skirt back down and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at usaclean.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.